Sir, I understand malinaw naman po yung pahayag nyo that you have nothing to do with the impeachment trial. But do you wish na sana hindi na lang ito mangyari so as hindi na lang...
How many times do you have to say that? I didn't want impeachment. Lahat ng kakampi ko sa Kongreso hindi nag-file ng impeachment complaint. Yung mga nag-file ng impeachment complaint, hindi mo masasabing kaya kong utusan o pagsabihan na ito yung gagawin mo. So, why do I have to keep explaining that I didn't want impeachment?
Salamat po.
This is in reference to your interview in the podcast where you said that you're open to reconciling with the Dutertes. And after you said that, certain conditions were floated. For example, Senator Bongo said...
No. That's not how reconciliation works.
Okay.
You don't put conditions to reconcile. If you're sincere, you want to reconcile, that's it. Ano ba problema? Paano nangyari ito? Tanggalin natin ang problema. Pero sasabihin mo, di ako makikipag-usap hanggang ibigay mo sa akin ito. Wala pupuntahan niya.
Yeah, and that condition
tapos na. That's not reconciliation.
Bring
That's not even a negotiation. That's demanding. Those are setting conditions. That, So, ano sasagutin ng kabila? Etong gagawin mo, sasagutin mo, hindi, gagawin ko yan kung gawin mo naman ito. Wala na pupuntahan yun. Tapos na ang usapan. I'm going to talk to them only this month. Hindi. Kailangan sinasabi ko nga bukas ka eh. Kahit anong sabihin mo, pakikinggan ko. Kung talagang tapat ako na nais ko mag-reconcile, edi isipin ko lang, lahat ng hiningi mo, lahat ng hinanakit mo, kung kaya ko ayusin, di ayusin ko para tapos na to. Ayoko nga ng kaaway.